This is the Sennheiser HD206 headphones, Sennheiser's budget headphones, but I'm going to show you these headphones so you can decide if they are worth buying, because despite having a low price, they are over-ear, lightweight, comfortable, and the quality is good. But first, subscribe to the channel because I bring new products every week. About the specifications. It has a sound frequency between 21 Hz and 18,000 Hz, nominal independence of 24 ohms, sound pressure level of 108 decibels. They are over-ear headphones, padding on the ears and on the head. They have a wire 3 meters long and weighs 215 grams. They are padded to be more comfortable during several hours of use, with sponges around the ears that are covered with artificial leather. This makes it more comfortable to use and also reduces ambient noise. And at the top, they also have a sponge to support the head. These sponges will allow you to use the headphones more comfortably for longer. To prevent the headphones from pressing on the head, they have several ways to adjust for the best comfort. They can be opened to the sides to suit the width of your head, with a maximum opening of 14 centimeters. You can also expand the height of the headphones, increasing them a few centimeters more, for people with taller heads. When placing the headphones on your head, each part will adapt to the curvature of your face, using a vertical and horizontal rotation axis. Each earpiece should be completely against your face, perfectly fitted into the ear. All these adjustment points make these headphones rest more comfortably. They have a wire to connect to the computer or a sound system. The wire size is 3 meters. Some people may find that the length of the wire is too long, but this allows you to connect the headphones to sound equipment, computers or televisions over greater distances. I intend to use these headphones to connect to the television and watch movies sitting on the couch. But if I want to use to connect to the computer, I can wrap part of the wire, and this way I reduce the size of the wire when I'm close to the computer. Therefore, I prefer the length of the wire to be long to use in various situations. The plug that is used to connect to a sound system or a computer is a 3.5mm audio plug, a very traditional plug that is still found in many devices, but that is a plug that may be no longer available on smartphones. Also, a 3.5 to 6.5mm plug adapter is also included, so you can connect to professional audio systems that use this type of larger plug. About the sound quality, I tried it, and when listening to high-quality music with these headphones, I noticed some lack of quality in the lower and higher tones. So don't expect the best quality, because although they are from the Sennheiser brand, they are not built with the best technology. For me, I will use these headphones to connect to the television or computer to watch movies on the couch, and for that, the sound quality is good enough. These headphones are not the best, especially if you want to listen to music with very good quality or very loudly. You won't get the best sound quality, because they are budget headphones. But for connecting to a television, computer or a smartphone, they have good quality. And as they are over-ear, placed around the ear, they reduce the external noise and you can hear better. Therefore, I recommend these headphones. I hope you like this product. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week.